Dear Father Antonio, it's been a year since you left us, but your memory still lingers on our mind every time we meet as a choir. Our hearts are full of gratitude to God for giving us a person like you. Your passion for music and the way you put together the seniors and juniors into a harmonious big family is just amazing. Your selfless, tireless, and fearless service in our parish has made you an icon, which points to the passion with which Jesus loved us. It is so difficult to compile all that you did during these few years in Candelaria Parish of Baina. But here is a small tribute to you, dear Father Antonio. May you enjoy eternal glory with all the saints in heaven.
Father Antonio would offer Mass passionately, always leading his people to worship God through songs, for he believed that a person who sings prays twice.
Father Antonio could easily blend with our catechists, whether it be dressed for the occasion or be in casual shorts, and giving away spot prizes during PPC picnics.
Father Antonio loved to speak to children and would take pains to regularly attend the school assembly and all important functions.
The school staff, teaching and non teaching, were like an extended family for him, always inspiring them to give their best to the students and bring out the best in them.
Music was Father Cotta's passion, and composing new tunes was his favorite pastime. One such composition of a motet for the Lent period is presented by the church choir.
He would mention with ease the historical background about the saint of the day during every weekly Mass.
leading his flock through prayer, whether in their homes or whether in the reception hall. Father Antonio was always willing to impart his priestly blessing after every prayer led by him.
Sincerely speaking, even though Father Antonio Cotta's term as parish priest ended accidentally in 4 years, he has left behind a legacy of compositions to carry our parish music ministry for the next 40 years. We thank God for the wonderful gift of Father Antonio Cotta to our parish and pray that he be given a crown of honor before the choirs of angels in heaven.
Gesù Bashena Shehame Uloitana Babutana Gesù Bashena Shemona It's Mochi Pratona Gesù Bashena Shehame Uloitana Babutana Gesù Bashena Shemona It's Mochi Pratona Gesù Bashin Saucheave Lisa Lisa Kina Kina Gati Mod Mutache Mocha Mona Chitadana Gesù Bashena Shehave Uloitana Babutana Gesù Bashena Shemona It's Mochi Pratona Gesù Bashena Shehave Uloitana Babutana Gesù Bashena Shemona It's Mochi Pratona Kanis Mochi Devul Koshe Mocha Mogal Devakati Chitna Toshi Sopna Mochi Sargatla Soira Kati Gesù Bashena Shehave Uloitana Babutana Gesù Bashena Shemona It's Mochi Pratona Gesù Bashena Shehave Uloitana Babutana Gesù Bashena Shemona It's Mochi Pratona